The fear of artificial intelligence replacing human jobs has long been a topic of discussion. However, Richard Baldwin, a renowned economist and professor from the Geneva Graduate Institute, offers a refreshing perspective. During a panel discussion at the 2023 World Economic Forum's Growth Summit, Baldwin confidently declared,
AI won't take your job, it's somebody using AI that'll take your job.
He believes that the real challenge is not the technology itself, but how professionals leverage AI to elevate their capabilities. Consider a financial analyst. With AI tools at their disposal, they can analyze vast amounts of market data at unparalleled speeds, making superior investment decisions at a fraction of the cost. Teachers, no longer bound by the time and cost constraints of the past, can now use AI-driven content platforms to craft engaging presentations and multimedia content tailored to their course needs. They can also utilize AI-driven educational tools to receive real-time insights into each student's learning trajectory, personalizing lessons to ensure more effective teaching. In the realm of academic research, AI streamlines literature reviews by scanning and summarizing vast numbers of papers, highlighting relevant content and recent advancements. Researchers are also empowered to spot trends or anomalies in massive datasets with ease. Baldwin's metaphor of AI as wisdom in a can captures its transformative essence. AI amplifies human potential. Tools like ChatGPT, for instance, emulate or even surpass the capabilities of seasoned professionals. This accessibility to AI-augmented skills that were once the domain of the elite could redefine the middle class, uplifting many. For healthcare professionals, the change is palpable. A nurse, traditionally dependent on years of experience and intuition, can now be augmented with a medical AI tool. This fusion not only increases efficiency, but can also make her more compassionate, as she can dedicate more time to patient care rather than data processing. However, every technological leap brings challenges. As Baldwin highlights, job roles will evolve. But instead of seeing this shift as daunting, the focus should be on the opportunities AI presents. A Goldman Sachs study warns of the potential impact of generative AI tools on 300 million full-time jobs globally. This figure is indeed significant. However, the narrative must shift from job displacement to job transformation. From tech to public relations, professionals are harnessing the power of AI to optimize tasks, be it coding, drafting press releases, or designing lesson plans. In essence, the future beckons us not to fear AI, but to embrace it wholeheartedly. It belongs to those who perceive AI as an ally, amplifying their skills and capabilities. As we stand at the precipice of this AI-driven era, the call to action is clear. Adapt, learn, and thrive with the technology. By embracing AI's transformative power, we prepare ourselves for a brighter, more empowered future. AI is undoubtedly reshaping our world and how we work, but what do you think? Do you believe your job is at risk because of AI? And if so, what strategies are you considering to adapt to this evolving landscape? I'm genuinely interested in hearing your thoughts, so please drop your opinions in the comments below. And if you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel for more discussions like this. Together, let's navigate the world of AI and its implications on our future. Remember, your perspective is valuable, and this community thrives when we share and learn from one another. Until next time, stay curious and empowered.